Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Charity Ohlund with Fountain Mortgage back for another COVID-19 edition of Future Proof. Last time we talked, we were discussing 5 impactful ways to grow your business while you are stuck at home. A big portion of that was talking about a CRM or a customer relationship management system. We talk about this all the time in our classes as the most important tool in any agent's business to make sure that none of those leads are falling through the cracks. But after the last video, I had some of you reach out to me saying, I don't even know where to start. How do I even begin to make a list? So today we're just going to do a quick hit on some of the easiest ways to build your CRM database. So when you sit down to try to make your list, the human brain can only hold about 100 names at any time of who you should be contacting. So here are some surefire ways to go through your life and your contacts to make sure that you build the most powerful list that you can. First, look at your social media channels. Look at everyone that you're following on Instagram and everyone that's following you, including following your stories. Put those names down. Same thing for LinkedIn contacts, Facebook, and Snapchat or any other outliers that you're doing. Then go through all of your phone contacts, see who's in your phone. Same thing for email. And then finally, take a look at your text messages. Go back about 2 months and see everyone that you've texted with over the last 2 months. Get all of those names down. After you've done that, the most important thing is to segment that list. This is important because any CRM is going to make sure that it's reaching out to your customers, but you might not be reaching out to them with the same frequency or with the same content. So my suggestion, once you have your big list of your sphere of influence and your social media contacts, phone contacts, and email contacts, is to divide that into 4 groups: A, B, C, and prospects. For your A group, that's going to be your VIPs, people that you've done business with. You've sold them a house, you've listed their house, or they are a current client. So past and current clients is your A group. Your B group are going to be your friends, your family, colleagues, and then be sure to include your vendors in that list, your lenders, home inspectors, photographers, those types of people. For your C group, look at those more distant social media contacts that you have down and they don't fit in any of the previous 2 groups. Maybe your acquaintances, put those in the C group. And then for your prospects, those are people that you've had conversations with either at an open house, maybe it's been a while since you reached out. A lot of you are pretty good about knowing who your prospects are, but I think that list of the first part that we made is going to help run your mind on who those prospects are that you should be talking to. Once you've done that, I would say color code them, put them in different Excel documents or tabs or however you'd like to do it. Most brokerages provide a CRM to their agents, so check into what your brokerage offers, or if you don't like that one, choose one of your own. There's lots out there and many that are free as well. A real roadblock for most of us when we're creating our CRM list is how do we get their contact information, their birthday, home address, work email, home email. Don't worry about all that. When you're first building this, just get a mobile phone number and an email address. Those should be your 2 main points of contact. A lot of CRMs will allow you to text through their technology, so that mobile phone number is going to be important. And of course, most of the content that's pushed out from a CRM is from email. So get a good email address and a mobile phone number, those 2, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions on how to go about this, I'm happy to help you. We could do it over Zoom or a virtual coffee. But like I said last time, I look forward to seeing all of your faces in the very near future, and take care.